Tomato.
This is a tomato.
Capsicum.
This is a capsicum.
Peas.
This is a peas.
Ladyfinger okra.
This is a ladyfinger okra.
Brinjal eggplant.
This is a brinjal eggplant.
Cabbage.
This is a cabbage.
Cauliflower.
This is a cauliflower.
Onion.
This is an onion.
Potato.
This is a potato.
Carrot.
This is a carrot.
Pumpkin.
This is a pumpkin.
Ginger.
This is a ginger.
Cucumber.
This is a cucumber.
Corn.
This is a corn.
Beetroot.
This is a beetroot.
Onion.
This is an onion.
Chili.
This is a chili.
Lemon.
This is a lemon.
Garlic.
This is a garlic.
Turnip.
This is a turnip.
Bitter gourd.
This is a bitter gourd.
Broccoli.
This is a broccoli.
Bottle gourd.
This is a bottle gourd.
Sweet potato.
This is a sweet potato.
Ridge gourd.
This is a ridge gourd.
Kohlrabi.
This is a kohlrabi.
Shallot.
This is a shallot.
Radish.
This is a radish.
Asparagus.
This is a asparagus.
Mushroom.
This is a mushroom.
Taro.
This is a taro.
Spinach.
This is a spinach.
Lettuce.
This is a lettuce.
Celery.
This is a celery.
Leek.
This is a leek.
Bamboo shoot.
This is a bamboo shoot.
Parsley.
This is a parsley.
Bok choy.
This is a bok choy.
Lemongrass.
This is a lemongrass.
Mint.
This is a mint.